Garip the adventurous cat slips through narrow alleys, chasing rumors of a forgotten map that hums with Moonlit secrets. He threads a path along the harbor where old boats sigh, and the wind carries whispers from a distant lighthouse. Guided by a cat-sized constellation tattoo on his paw, Garip deciphers clues hidden in tide pools and rusted rails. When night blooms, he learns the map guides to a bell that reunites long-separated streets. Garip carries the echo home, promising future journeys that bend the city toward wonder without ever losing a single whisker.